Hello friends, let's start with the next concurrency problem, which is lost update problem. Now, in the last lecture, we have already seen temporary update problem or dirty read problem. Now, in this video, we'll be looking at lost update problem. So let's start with an example. Now here there are two transactions, transaction T1 and transaction T2. T1 is going to read and write the data item A, context which happens. T2 is going to override the value of A, then it is going to execute the commit statement, context which happens. Then T1 is going to commit its execution. Fine. So this is how T1 and T2 are going to execute. Now let's see in details what will happen for each and every statement in this schedule. So first, T1 reads the value of A from the database into the buffer. Its initial value is 100. And then it performs write A. Now because of this write A, the value in the buffer will be updated to 200. Okay. So T1 has updated the value of A to 200. Then the context which happens and T2 executes write A. Okay, now over here if you observe, T2 have not read the initial value of A either from the buffer or database, but it is directly executing the statement write A. Okay, and it is overriding the value of A as 500 in the buffer. Now this kind of write is called as blind write, which means the transaction has not read the value of that data item, but it is just overriding the data item with some random value or with some other value, okay, without knowing its initial value. Fine. So after performing this blind write, T2 commits its operation. Therefore, whatever are the changes made by T2 in buffer are now reflected in database. Fine. After this, the context switch happens and T1 executes the commit statement. Okay. Now actually what is the work of this commit statement is to update the values that are present in buffer in the database. But as you can see, there is nothing to update into the database. Okay, because whatever was written by this write A statement of T1 is been overridden by this write A statement of T2 transaction. Okay, so T1 never got the chance to update this write A statement into the database. Okay, and as the context switch happened and write a statement of T2 executed, therefore the changes made by the statements were overridden, right? After that, the T2 also performed commit, so it updated its updated value into the database. So in this case, we have lost the value that was updated or that was changed by this write A statement. So this value was never updated to the database. That means we have lost this update which was made by transaction T1, and therefore this problem is called as lost update problem. Okay, now to summarize, what is the lost update problem? Successfully completed update operation by one user can be overridden by the another user. Okay, so in this case, this value which was updated by T1 is overridden by this write A statement of T2 transaction. Okay, and therefore this value is been lost, and that is called as lost update problem. Now what is blind write? Blind write is updating the value without reading its initial value. Please do write your feedback in the comment section.